Hi everyone, now Monday 23, Monday, June 23, and we now going to Market Mall. We're going to Market Mall to eat in a restaurant. We will show to you. This is parking, and you know, this is NLEX toll gate. If you want to go to Manila, just to go to the Rotonda and turn to NLEX Shira with me. Ayala Market Mall. Hi Shira. She don't want to talk because many haters. You see in the Philippines car. Only in the Philippines have same cars. I never seen before. Maybe in Thailand also have.
For bank?
Yes, for bank, yes. Ayala Market Mall. Aircon here, good afternoon. Pay parking here. So need pay later. 30 peso already. Before 20. Now everywhere 30 peso. But Manila more price, more expensive. Mitsubishi cars. Triton, interesting style of headlamp. Red Rabbit, Red Street, Red Rabbit. Here can also free check maybe, yes? Shira one seat, you see already have same small London bus here. I cannot filming children, blur face need new rules, but it's old rules, you know, it's old rules. Just only not need to put children, old people who disability like this. For example, if you have accident, no, not you. I mean, if have accident and some people in the road, of course you cannot say, oh, please not take video of me. That's why it's the rules for who cannot reply to you. For example, children, small children, he cannot reply. He cannot say to you, not take video of me, or family don't want also. Family don't want if his children in the video, of course. That's why I say to you about rules. Some people don't understand about rules. They think every blogger cannot filming anyone. No, rules it's for who cannot say to you, not take video of me. For example, not who, children, old people, disability people. For example, if I have accident, he cannot say to you, yes, because he have problem. That's why. But some of bloggers, many, they can say, they can take video, even accident. Even police. That's why it's the rules for everyone in the Philippines, everyone. Security guard, or who can work, police security guard who can use body camera and upload to YouTube, Facebook, anywhere, TikTok. You know, so many Filipino upload video to TikTok. It's the same. They cannot now default blur face, but blur face is okay. So children, old people, some of fake thinking, oh, you cannot take video in the walking street. In the walking street, children. Okay, if children in walking street, I not take video children in walking street. Who have disability? Okay, I can. I cannot take video. Who cannot? Who? I walk only 2 way because I waiting my friend. Shira seat waiting. That's why I explain to who don't understand. Who don't understand? Okay, we are not filming, but I same filming, same. In the public street can filming, but you cannot film children need blur face because maybe families, children don't like. It's rules for who cannot explain, who cannot say. Adidas. So now you know what is this, what is the rules. It's not mean people, government Philippines not allowed bloggers. Not always the same. Just only if you in your video have disability people, children, old people who cannot walk. Very, very old, you know. He cannot even say. That's why it's rules for idiot clown who can upload video how to people not good looking, for example, to and he cannot say. Same like American blogger Vitaly, Russian American. So of course he take video who people don't like, and he cannot say. That's why, guys, it's rules for. It's okay, it's good rules. No, okay, of course, it's not good if you take video people who don't want and he cannot say. You need only a blur face. Blur face is okay. Now we in the rosters here. This is all side dishes here. You can choose side dishes. Here price.
Ano pa ba? Pag yung salmon natin, mga 40 to 20 minutes. Meron rin?
Shaira order. What you Shaira? What you order? Chicken, salad,
Vegetable, and coleslaw, and rice.
and rice. And cola, ice cola. Are you happy?
I'm waiting for you.
Waiting my food? Okay, okay. I order salmon, grilled salmon with vegetable, rice also, and this one is for free. It's good also. But for me only water. Only water. I don't want cola. I like only water without ice. But Shaira like rice. It's important, Shaira, yes? For Shaira important rice. If don't have rice, she not full. Maybe you want double. Unlimited enough? Okay. Already eat, but Shaira want to take out because she don't want it so much. So much for you, Shaira. Cold? She say da in Russian. In Russian da it's mean yes. That's why she sometimes talk in Russian language. Shaira, do you know many words in Russia? I think many already. Many. Pizza, again, you see pizza. 38 peso only. In the walking street, 160, 150. But here for 160 you can be all. Avocado. Oh, it's good. Avocado 120 only. We already finished eating Market Mall and we're going to home now. Thank you for watching.
Thank you
for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.